I think we made a request to get a briefing from the DPWH.
Comsec, was there a request to get a briefing, and was it approved? So no referral, no request also. So it is motu proprio. Yes, Mr. Chair, pero bakit pa tayo abot nun sa plenary? Ba't di lang po kayo? Anyway, sinasabi ko ito sa gesture.
As I said, the minority wants to be relevant, especially on this very controversial issue.
Hindi, walang problema sa akin. So gusto ko lang liwanagin.
And the Committee on Public Accounts is, this is the term of the minority.
Hindi, kaya nga. So ang ibig sabihin nito, hindi na natin susundin itong bakit di na muna natin amyandaan yung rules natin para hindi kailangan magkaroon ng audit report?
The proof of the pudding is in the eating, so we'll just have to wait for the committee report.
Yes, Mr. Chairman and Chairman Kimbo, sorry, I cannot make a motion because I'm not a member.
That's why I'm adopting your motion.
Okay.
So on your behalf.
Okay, yun na po. I just want to make sure that we're following our rules. No.
Yes, I understand.
Yes.
Chairperson of the House Ways and Means Committee.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Yes, please.
Yes, may you kindly be recognized for a point of clarification.
Yes, please.
Mr. Chair, is my understanding correct that the first briefing was on August 4, right?
Yes.
So it was a motu proprio briefing based on the call of the chair. Because there was still no resolution at the time, Mr. Chair.
I think it's a briefing.
Yes, it's a briefing. But, Mr. Chair, I just want to clarify if this is the proper jurisdiction, no? Because if we will read our rules, Mr. Chair, public accounts, no? Committee on Public Accounts. First of all, I want to make it clear that we want the truth. And being scrutinized here, we're also included, kasama tayo sa tinitingnan dito. Dahil wala namang magiging kalokohan dito kung hindi napunduhan. At yung budget nang galing sa Kongreso. So, Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang siguraduhin na talagang sinusunod natin ng stricto ang ating rules para walang question na meron tayong kino-cover up o ano-ano. Ang nakasulat po kasi sa ating rules, ang Committee on Public Accounts, all matters directly and principally relating to the examination and scrutiny of audit reports on the performance of all government agencies to determine their adherence to or compliance with the plans and programs authorized through appropriations approved by the legislature. So kung titingnan po natin, ano po ba ang sinasabi dito sa rule natin? Directly tungkol sa audit report. Hindi po ba dapat committee na sumasakop dito ay yung good government and public accountability, dahil ang good government and public accountability ay all matters directly and principally relating to malfeasance, misfeasance, nonfeasance in the office committed by officers and employees of the government, and etc. etc. So I just want to raise this. I mean, it's not up for me to decide. I'm not a member of this committee, no? It's just a friendly reminder na since scrutinized tayo, I think the committee will have to decide whether ito po talaga yung tama or mas magandang sa good government. Yun na po, Mr. Chair. So whatever, I cannot make a motion because I'm not a member of this committee. Gusto ko lang na stricto nating sinusunod. Kasi kahit yung uniform natin, di ba? Yung uniform, simpleng uniform, sinusunod na po natin. Na kailangan tama yung uniforme natin pag tayo. Hindi pa pwede tayong improper attire. So gusto ko lang pong siguraduhin na tama ang jurisdiction nitong committee na to, para kung ano man lalabas na report dito, walang question dahil stricto po natin sinunod yung rules natin. So, pero inuulit ko, hindi po ako membro, so it's up to the members of the committee to decide whether this is the proper jurisdiction or the proper jurisdiction is the Committee on Good Government and Public Health. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yes, thank you, Congressman Chanco. Well, we respect your views, no? But to be very clear, this is just a briefing. This is not a hearing. And I think that's the reason why the chairperson of the Public Works Committee is also here. And the chairperson of Public Accounts is here. And this has been directed to us by, I think, by the Rules Committee po. So
the rules manifested on the floor that this be taken up by the Committee on Public Accounts. So was it manifested on the floor that this be, Mr. Chair, that this be taken up by the Committee on Public Accounts?
I think we made a request to get a briefing from the DPWH.
Comsec, was there a request to get a briefing, and was it approved? So no referral, no request also. So it is motu proprio. Yes, but how does the briefing start, di ba? So it's who asked for the briefing. Gusto ko lang po kasi siguraduhin na, kasi ito po, kung hindi magkakagulo-gulo tayo, kung hindi tayo susunod sa ating rules, dapat, okay, ganito lang po ang tanong ko. Madami na po tayong apogado dito. Tama po ba ang intindi ko doon sa rules natin na ang public accounts ay tungkol sa mga bagay na may audit report? Tama po ba ang intindi ko? Kung mali yung intindi ko, edi tama, baka tamang ano to. So ayun lang ang tanong ko. Ano ba ang tamang interpretasyon dito sa pwede po bang may magpaliwanag? Ano po ba ang tamang interpretasyon dito sa rules natin? Hindi. Wala po akong problema sa presentation. Gusto ko lang po, kasi I'm a sucker for rules. I admit. Kung ano yung patakaran natin, sundin natin. Kasi pag nagkaroon tayo ng exemption, may isang hindi sumunod. Lahat na may dahilan, lahat hindi sumunod eh. Pag isa hindi sumunod, lahat may dahilan na hindi sumunod. So ang sinasabi ko lang, gusto natin ng tama. Kung hinahanapan natin ng tama, yung mga nagbe-briefing, dapat tayo mismo sumunod doon sa ating rules. So yun lang ang tanong ko. Yan ay isang tanong. Ano bang interpretasyon natin dito sa Committee on Public Accounts?
Mr. Chair, yung pong Committee on Public Accounts principally is a committee assigned to the minority.
Opo.
And the minority would like to be very relevant on current issues.
Okay.
Kung hindi po nagpatawag ng meeting yung Committee on Good Government, kami po, inunahan na namin. Anyway, we will have a way of correcting it. After the reports, maybe we can call the COA. Bakit wala pa kayong mga audit reports dito sa bakit naunahan pa kayo ng ibang agencies, especially ng ating Pangulo? So, we're trying to be relevant. We want to hear from the different agencies. And later on, we will be calling the Commission on Audit.
Hindi, pero Mr. Chair, pwede po ba tayong lumampas doon sa otoridad na isinasaad doon sa rules natin na dapat may audit report? Ibig ko sabihin, bakit hindi nagpatawag kaya yung good government?
Mr. Chair, anyway, all the reports will be submitted to the plenary, and it's up to the plenary to determine whether we have violated or we have access to our the authority of the committee.
Yes, Mr. Chair, pero bakit pa tayo abot nun sa plenary? Bakit di lang po kayo? Anyway, sinasabi ko ito suggestion.
As I said, the minority wants to be relevant, especially on this very controversial issue.
Hindi, walang problema sa akin. So gusto ko lang liwanagin.
And the Committee on Public Accounts is, this is the term of the minority.
Hindi, kaya nga. So ang ibig sabihin nito, hindi na natin susundin itong bakit di na muna natin amyandahan yung rules natin para hindi kailangan magkaroon ng audit report?
The proof of the pudding is in the eating, so we'll just have to wait for the committee report.
Chairman Mama, please.
Mr. Chairman, I think ang ginawa lang naman siguro natin is to exercise our duty we have the function of oversight.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, I think even Public Works can request Department of Public Works and Highways
Mr. Chair.
to shed light on the issues being thrown to them.
Yes, Mr. Chair. If it were the Committee on Public Works, I wouldn't have raised the question because I recognize that the Committee on Public Works has full jurisdiction. Again, it is just a suggestion. If you want to proceed, I have no authority to question or raise a point of order because I am not a member of this committee. So it's just a suggestion, Mr. Chair. So I just put it on the table. Whatever the decision is I will have no say or vote on it, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Congressman Kimbo, please.
Yeah, just I think the points of Congressman Toby Tiangco is well taken. While he's not a member, in fact, we can take the cudgels for him, and so that the matter can be put on record, so that the matter can eventually be resolved. We are members of the majority. We respect the rights and enforcement of the minority in exercising your duty to remove the absences of government, prevent abuses. So gagalang ho namin yun. But I support the position of Congressman Tiangco. Let's put it on record and let that matter be resolved later on, because I think the Committee on Rules should be in a position to make the determination whether we will have a joint, because tama naman ang sinabi niya na ayaw natin mabaliwala na kung anong pag-uusapan dito. Pero tingin ko ang tiyak dito is gusto natin gawin na, at in fact, nauuna pa ang minorya na gawa ng hakbang para usigin at alamin kung ano nangyari dito o sundin ang utos ng ating mahal na Pangulo. So, I think, Mr. Chairman, I adopt his motion so that it can be put on record, so that a determination can be made later on by the Committee on Rules.
Yes, Mr. Chairman and Chairman Kimbo. Sorry, I cannot make a motion because I'm not a member.
That's why I am adopting your motion.
Okay.
So, on your behalf.
Okay. Yun na po. I just want to make sure that we're following our rules. No.
Yes, I understand.
Yes.
Congressman Chaco, again, to be very clear, this is a briefing. I think briefings can be requested by any committee. When we go to proper hearings relating to what Congressman Chaco is talking about, I think there is a resolution that has been submitted to Bills and Index that there will be a tri-committee with the Public Works, Public Accounts, and Good Government to look into the anomalies po of that will therefore then be subjected to all of the rules that Congressman Chanco is requiring. But for now, this is just a briefing. There will be no interpellation, only questions to our invitees.
You wish to weigh in?
I'm not requiring it, Mr. Chair. I'm just suggesting, politely suggesting,
Yes,
that we look into the rules so that para lang maliwanag. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you,
Chair.
Congressman Chanco.
I just wish to weigh in very
Congresswoman,
briefly. I wish to
Lima,
weigh in
please.
on the issue at hand. Yes, if you go by a verbal legis interpretation of the rules, it would seem that really the mandate of this committee would relate to the examination and scrutiny of audit reports. So the premise is that there are already audit reports. But then again, I also concur in the explanation of our colleagues here, especially the chairperson, that nothing would prevent this committee from calling a briefing from any agency of government so as to guide it as to the future actions of the committee. So para bang this is just a preliminary step, preliminary move, but not necessarily na ito na nga yun, that the committee would be solely responsible or would be solely investigating either in aid of legislation or oversight functions the matter at hand. So under that condition, that it is purely briefing and questions and not interpellations, I don't think there would be any legal issue. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, if I may reply.
Congressman Chanco, please.
Yes, Mr. Chair, but even briefing should be within the mandate of the committee, no? Because why can sports and youth not ask for a briefing from Public Works if that is our line of reasoning, that it shouldn't be within the mandate? Di ba po? So, but anyway, just to cut it short, I just wanted to suggest, so whatever the ruling of the chair is and whatever the pleasure of the body is, I have no objection. Anyway, I cannot object because I am not part of the...
Thank you, Congressman Chanco. Can we